As a medical student, naturally I'm interested in keeping bodies healthy. So today I thought I would show you my favorite spots to stay fit here in Gozo. Hi, I'm Luiza Silva Simoes. I'm a medical student and a part-time personal trainer. My first spot is here at MMP Fitness, where I train most of my clients and myself. It's pretty chic and a hit with most students. There are another 2 gyms near campus, Gaudios and Connecticut. A lot of them offer student discounts, so well worth checking them out. This is a beach. I actually used to live just up the hill, and I mean, look at this view. I love it, and there's no better way than to start your day with a steep scenic hill climb like this one here in Zabuch. Or if you're feeling a little bit extra adventurous, a 10-minute run will bring you down to Gozo's famous salt pans. We're also pretty close to the Blue Hole. It's a natural rock formation in a swimming spot that's 16 meters deep. It's a great place to cool off and to do some laps as well.